Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna do a Blender tutorial. Yeah. And if you're new to my channel, this is my channel called That Begins. And my channel has a range of videos, so you can go to the playlist and find that. And if you're not new, good for you. So if you're new, subscribe, and when I said the range of videos, I actually mean it. So this video is categorized as a Blender one. Now in this video I'm going to do something very new. This is just like an introduction to Blender 3.0, the latest update. So this is Blender 2.91.2. So this is 2.9. Blender 2.9, and it's actually not updated since years. Since months. And if you've been following my Blender course and you find it different, you probably got like Blender 2.8 or something. So to update it, you just bring in this. Just search up on Google Chrome. What's it called? Blender.org. And it'll come up like this. Yeah, press that. You'll get to go here, and it will say download Blender 3.0. You don't need to care about this. If you're using Windows and it doesn't say Windows, do not care. Does not matter. It says download Blender 3.0 because 3.0 should show you how to do that. So it's downloading. So now it's done, and it will open like this, and press next. You can do that. Oh my god, something's ringing. Hey Google, cancel timer. I don't know, what was that? And then you press finish, and it will download Blender, and it will show up on the new Blender app. When you press finish, you won't see it on like the apps down here, but if you go here, press this button, there you go, you blended it. And then the Blender. Wait. And if you open Blender 3.0, Blender, the new Blender, it will show up with this. And if I just delete this, and that's really it. And you should see lots of things have changed, like this. The modifiers are different. Like, look at that. Oh my god. Look at these. It's so different. It is even advanced. So that's that. This is just an introduction to Blender, the new Blender. Here you can render. It's very similar to the last Blender update. Yeah, it's very similar. It's just some things have changed. So if you go to edit mode, and I haven't told you this, but this thing has updated as well. Look, there's even this. So it helps you, like, it shows you these three, the y-axis, the x-axis, and the z-axis, and then it shows you the opposite way. So this is the y-axis, and then the opposite way is the minus y-axis. So it's really helpful. And if we go to sculpting, I'm just randomly doing this. Yeah. So in next video, we're gonna start a tutorial. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do in the next one. I'll think about it. So, see you in the next one. So subscribe, like, and hit that bell. See you in a dash. So, see you later, alligator. And bye-bye, Darth Vader. What? Where's Darth Vader gone?